Hi, I'm Connie Wen, founder and CEO of Seattle Gummy Company. Seattle Gummy Company is a specialty pharma company focusing on gummy technologies. We have two key pieces of technology. One is API, complexing technology, which allow us to incorporate any drug substance into a gummy formulation. The second is the Trulinose technology, which allows us to produce extremely low glycemic index gummy product that is safe for the diabetic patient.
Happy New Year. I'm representing Seattle Gummy Company. As the introduction has said, we're a specialty pharma company focusing on one thing and one thing only, that is the functional gummy technology. What we do is we put the API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, into our novel gummy matrix to produce gummy medicines. As of today, we have raised $7.4 million, and with two strategies. The R&D is a laser focus on the growth strategy, which is a line of OTC as well as prescription gummy drugs. And for the near-term de-risking revenue generation, we are selling a line of traditional Chinese medicine-themed nutraceutical supplements. All right, let's look at why gummies. Three reasons. One, gummies are very well accepted by general population. Number two, there's a huge market needs for patient compliances, especially in the geriatric and pediatric populations. Number three is technology. Gummy, in fact, is an amazing delivery system, taps into your mucosal absorption, makes it really fast to get the active ingredients into your bloodstream. So it's very effective and efficient. All right, so what do we have? We have a few key pieces of technology. Number one is the API complexing technology, which allows us to put pretty much any drugs into a gummy matrix, solving the solubility, stability, as well as the taste issue. Number two is the Trulinose. Why Trulinose? A lot of people don't like gummies. Why? Because of the sugar. Sugar causes a lot of issues. For example, look at our regular sugar you're taking every day. Glycemic index is 67. Look at glucose, 100. Our Trulinose is 7. And then using Trulinose technology, we can make Gummy Zero, which is used for every single medicine we produce in our line. And compared to the regular gummy, which is loaded with sugar. And what that happens when you take a gummy like that, you have a huge blood sugar spike, which causes a insulin release, which causes a huge blood, it's called a blood sugar rush. So essentially what you have is a sugar crush and a sugar crush, which is extremely dangerous for diabetic patients. Ours, Gummy Zero, it stays low. IP portfolio, as with any pharmaceutical companies, we're huge in IP. We have 22 filings as of today, and then 7 are international filings. And then pipeline-wise, we are looking at 3 pipelines. We have a OTC gummy. We have a traditional Chinese medicine TCM gummy line. We have a prescription gummy line. And then within the OTC line, we have pretty much gummymized every single products, OTC drugs you probably can find in your cabinet with a focus on allergy, anti-inflammation, and fever. And then the new drugs. We are applying the new drug application with the FDA for our first new drug, which is called Ceteric Allergy Gummy. It's for the fast release of the allergy symptom, and we have established FDA communication, secure communication since June. I have been in close communication with our case reviewer, and then we have submitted our pre-IND packet in July 27th and received a formal response on August 27th. The response has been extremely positive. We have received 0 pushback, basically, on the clinical trial protocol we have proposed, and we are working on the INDA package, which will be submitted very soon. So for the near term, what's happening? We are selling. We have a 4 line of products right now selling on the market, leading with the mocha shots. That's there. Mocha shots actually using our API complexing technology, which is from pharmaceutical side. We were able to load a large amount of caffeine into that product. So right now, mocha shots is the highest caffeine content product you can ever find in the market. And then we are doing extremely well on the marketing side, considering the company started last year, and we'll start selling this year. Right now, we're selling into 27 states with 50+ retail stores carrying our product, including some national chains. Team, we have an amazing team. That's all I can say. They can make anything happen in a snap of fingers. A little bit about myself. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've been an investor. I've been a patent attorney. I'm currently the president of the Washington State Law Patent Association. And with all that, I love what I'm doing right now with Seattle Gummy Company. Advisory board, Tom is amazing. He's a founder CEO of the biotech. He's an expert in clinical trial advising on the FDA side. And He Boquan is well known for his 乐百氏 founder, and he is advising on the China strategy. Exit-wise, we are looking at most likely being acquired. We have been acquired constantly right now by large companies. And as a team, we are shooting for the IPO upon the first approval of a new drug application.